Hello and welcome students to MechPro classes, my official YouTube channel. Myself Piraj Majumdar, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, GKCM, that is Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management under JIS Group. Welcome you to our new session of Advanced Welding Technology, where we will be uploading all the lecture series according to MacOut syllabus day by day. So keep in touch with us for getting daily updates. You can also contact me through 9433465217, that is my personal phone number, or even you can email me at pirasar@gmail.com. You can also connect me through social networking, that is Facebook page, which is known as MechPro Classes. So let us start today's online session.
Completed this most of the sections of this module 5, and we have reached the concluding section of this module 5. Previously we have discussed about welding metallurgy has effects of different process parameters on the characteristics of weldment. Today we will be having a discussion on this robotic application. In the last two classes we have already covered these welding fixtures as well as the welding automation. Now today we will be having some discussions on the robotic applications of welding. So let us start today's class. So today we will be starting with the robots, and in introduction part I must tell you about the application of this before coming to the directly to the application of robots in welding. Let me discuss about the robot is a machine, is a machine carrying a complex series of operation, that is the robot actually, and a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. So welding is a process of joining different materials. The large bulk of materials that are being welded are metals and their alloys. Although welding is also applied to the joining of other metals as well. Now we have this translation motion, where we have this orthogonal joint and this linear joint as well, having input link as well as the output link. And in rotary motion we have also this rotational joint type R, and the twisting joint like type T, revolving joint like type V. Now we have this revolute or pin joint. We also have the prismatic joint as well. Now robotic arc welding, coming directly to the robotic arc welding, it is a technique in which metals are welded using the heat generated by an electric arc. The working condition is typically unpleasant and hazardous. The arc from the welding process emits ultraviolet radiations which is injurious to human vision. As a result, welders are required to wear eye protection in the form of a welding helmet with a dark window. Now the sparks and smoke are generated during the process are a potential threat to operators. Now because of the hazards for human workers in continuous arc welding, it is logical to consider industrial robots for the purpose. Now it has got features like the work volume and degrees of freedom, motion control system, precision of motion and programming. Now in typical type of arc welding robot can be seen over here. You can see the arc welding robot as well. So this it has got a robot wrist, a gripper. Now benefits of robot spot welding are of improved product quality, high reliability, operator safety, better control over production operations as well. Now, features of spot welding robots I must discuss with you. Robots must be relatively large. It must have sufficient payload capacity to readily manipulate the welding gun for the application. The work volume must be adequate for the size of the product. The product must be able to position and orient the welding gun in places on the product that might be difficult to access. This might result in need for an increased number of freedoms. The controller memory must enough capacity to this accomplish the many positioning steps required for the spot welding cycle. Now, in spot welding robot, you will find that combined hydraulical electrical power unit built to machine and tool quality and standards. In the robot, we have the arm sweep or body rotation, shoulder swivel, elbow extension, yaw, pitch, roll, tool mounting plate, body traverse. Then we have advanced computer controlled with solid state IC electronics. Jointed arm remote can be remotely controlled and located at any attitude. So now manipulator. Now manipulator is a series of mechanical linkages and joints capable of producing all sorts of designed movements. The body, arm and wrist assembly of a robot is sometimes called as manipulator. It has also got a gripper, tool pitch, elbow joint, shoulder joint as well as the base joint. Now it has got also a control system where we have the controller and actuators, that is the microprocessor controlled. We have got this input command which is connected to the feedback elements as well as the controller and actuators. From the controller and actuators, it goes to the directly to the robot joint, that is a plant. Therefore it goes to the position or speed. Now coming to the programming, robot software is the set of coded commands or instructions that tell a mechanical device and electronic system known together as a robot what tasks to perform. LISP or hardware description languages or MATLAB or Python or wood or metal. The materials are aluminum, steel, bronze, brass, copper, synthetic materials, PVC, plexiglass, composite materials, other materials, foam core, cardboard, etc. Now talking about the advantages, it has got greater quality of product, precise manufacturing, improved safety, quality of work life, leisure time, higher productivity, micro machining operations as well. So what are the advantages? Once again, greater quality of product. So you are going to have a greater quality of product with the help of this robotic welding application. Now next you have the precise manufacturing. So with the help of this robotic spot welding, we will have the precise manufacturing. Next is your improved safety. So with the help of this robotic welding, you can have improved safety. Now quality of work life. With the help of this robotic welding, you can have quality of work life. Now leisure time. With the help of this robotic type of welding, you will have a leisure time in welding. Next is your higher productivity. So with the help of the robotic, you can have the higher productivity. Next you have the micro machining operations. So there are some operations which are in very micro level. So in micro level it is very difficult to maintain the this precision accuracy, and it is very also difficult to machine in micro machine. While micro actually not in micro machining, also in micro welding operations also. So with the help of robots you can easily apply the welding to the micro machining structures. So in conclusion, it can be said that properly applied, robots can accomplish routine, undesirable work better than humans at a lower cost. As the technology advances and more people learn how to use robots, the robotics market will grow at a rate that will approach the growth of the computer market over the past 30 years. Now, there is every reason to believe that the automation of work through robotics will lead to substantial increases in productivity, and that this productivity increases year by year will permit humans to engage in activities that are cultural and recreational. Not only will robotics improve our standard of living, it will also improve our standard of life. So that was the welding with robots. Next, let us discuss some more points. Robot welding is a process of joining different materials. The large bulk of materials that are welded are metals and their alloys. Although welding is also applied to the joining of other metals such as thermoplastics. Now, welding joins different metals or alloys with the help of a number of processes in which heat is supplied either electrically or by means of a gas torch. So there are two types of robot weldings. One is your arc welding, another is your spot welding. Now, why is robot arc welding? Arc welding is performed by skilled workers who are assisted by a person called fitter. The working condition of the welder is typically unpleasant and hazardous. The arc from the welding process emits ultraviolet radiations which is injurious to human vision. Because of the hazards for human workers in continuous arc welding, it is logical to consider industrial robots for the purpose. Now, benefits of robotic arc welding. It has got greater quality of product, improved safety and quality of work life, and higher productivity. So in benefits we have the greater quality of product. We are having greater quality of product with the robotic arc welding, improved safety and quality of work life as well. Then you are going to have very high productivity. Now, work volume and degrees of freedom. These are the features of arc welding robots. So you are getting the work volume, high work volume, and very high degrees of many degrees of freedom. Then you have the motion control system. Then you have the precision in motion. Then you have the programming languages that are being used to program for the arc welding robots. then the interface with each other system. Now for larger works on spot welding, the welding guns with cables attached is quite heavy and can easily exceed 100 pound in weight. So robotic spot welding came into the picture with its advantages. To assist the operator in manipulating the gun, the apparatus is suspended from an overhead hoist system. Even with this assistance, the spot welding gun represents a heavy mass and is difficult to manipulate by a human worker at high rates of production desired on a car body assembly. Now coming to the benefits of this robotic spot welding, it has got improved product quality, it has got operator safety, it has got better control over production operation. Now features of spot welding robots are: robots must be relatively large, it must have sufficiently payload capacity to readily manipulate the welding gun for the application. The work volume must be adequate for the size of the product. The robot must be able to position and orient the welding gun in places on the product. Now, in conclusion, you can say a substantial opportunity exists in the technology of the robotics to relieve people from boring, repetitive, hazardous, and unpleasant work in all forms of a human labor. Now, properly applied, robots can accomplish routine, undesirable work better than humans at a lower cost. Not only will robots improve our standard of living, it will also improve our standard of life as well. So there are various fields of application of robotic welding in agriculture, automobile, construction, entertainment, health, hospitals, patient care, surgery, research, etc. Law enforcement, surveillance, patrol, etc. Manufacturing, military, surveillance, attack. Mining, construction and exploration, transportation, air, ground, rail, space, etc. Material handling, material transfer, material loading and loading, spot welding, continuous arc welding, spray painting, assembly, inspection, laboratories, that is the science and engineering, etc. Now in machine loading and unloading. In machine loading and unloading process, a robot will be used to move the work parts or from the production machine. This application comes under the category of material handling operations. The machine loading and unloading application includes the following three processes. There is the machine loading, machine unloading and machine load and unload. Now in welding operations, this applications, it has perhaps the most popular applications of robots is in industrial welding. The repeatability, uniformity, quality and speed of robotic welding is unmatched. The two basic types of welding are spot welding and arc welding, although laser welding is also done. The automotive industry is a major user of robotic spot welders. Why robot arc welding? Because arc welding is performed by skilled workers who are assisted by a person called fitter, as I already discussed this slide. Now it has also got some other applications such as material handling, process operations, assembly and inspection. Now in other are space mission, underwater exploration, medical assistant, industrial application, assembly, painting, welding, etc., home help also. So we have this industrial robot applications of machine loading and or unloading include the following also: die casting, plastic molding, metal machining operations, forging, as well as press working. So robotic welding is the process of joining different metals. The large bulk of metals that are welded are metals and their alloys, although welding is also supplied to the joining of other materials such as thermoplastics. So advantages of robotic welding is the increased production, improved quality and consistency, save energy, decreased scrap, reduced waste and return on investment. And features of arc welding robots are work volume and degree of freedom, motion control system, precision of motion, programming and interface with other systems. So here are the advantages and disadvantages of the robots. In advantages we have the savings, then we have the quality, then we have the production, and then we have the safety. In disadvantages we have the expertise, ROI and expenses. So today we have discussed about the robotic application of welding in the and we have completed the module 5. In the next class we will be having some discussions on this module 6, where we will be reading about the weldability of plain carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum and its alloys as well. So till then, stay safe. Thanks for watching.